Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about statistical methods, that is correlation for UGC NET examination in geography paper 2. This is an important topic. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's start the class. First of all, what is correlation? Correlation is a statistical tool used to describe the degree to which one variable is related to another. It measures and analyzes the extent to which two or more variables fluctuate with reference to one another. Okay, key condition: two phenomena must have a cause-effect relationship to be correlated. If no such relationship exists, correlation is not possible. Example: when demand of a product increases, price rises. When demand decreases, price falls. Both share a cause-effect link. Okay, hence they can be correlated. Okay, use and utility of correlation: aids decision making, helps understanding economic behavior, helps in research work, established relation between two variables. Okay, net point: correlation is a statistical tool for relationship between variables, range -1 to +1, cause-effect link, essential to correlate. Okay, types of correlation: positive versus negative correlation. Positive, direct, both variables move in same direction, and negative, inverse, variables move in opposite directions. Simple versus multiple. Simple means relationship between only two variables, and multiple means relationship between more than two variables. Partial versus total. Partial considers two variables, keeping others constant, and total based on all relevant variables, rarely feasible. Linear versus non-linear. Linear, change in one variable behaves constant ratio to other, graph straight line. Non-linear, curvilinear, ratio is not constant. Okay, scatter diagram method: each pair of x and y values is plotted as a dot on a graph, dependent variable on x-axis, independent variable on y-axis. The resulting picture is called a scatter diagram. Okay, perfect positive means points rise from bottom left to top right, like this. Bottom left to top right. Perfect negative: points fall from top left to bottom down, bottom right, like this. Top left to bottom right. Merit: easy to plot even by a beginner, simple to understand at a glance, abnormal values easily detected, extreme values not affected. Okay, there are some demerits of scatter diagram also. These are: cannot predict degree of correlation, useful only for small samples like 3-4 terms, and useless for very large data. Okay, scatter diagram, graphical and quick method, cannot give exact R only, a direction shown, and useful small data, useless large data. Okay, Pearson coefficient of correlation, mathematical method denoted by R, measures degree of linear relationship between two variables, one independent, one dependent. This is the formula. Okay, interpretation of R is equal to +1, that means perfect positive correlation, -1, perfect negative correlation, R is equal to 0, no correlation between variables. -1 is less than R and less than +1, partial and moderate correlation. Okay, Pearson's most widely used range: -1 to +1, +1 perfect positive, -1 perfect negative, and 0 no correlation. Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, used when quantitative measures of qualitative factors. Example: leadership, beauty is not possible. A rank ordinal number is assigned to each individual, applied to ordinal rank data with 1 for highest and for lowest. This is the formula. Tied ranks formula. And where R is equal to +1, complete agreement in order to rank same direction, plus when R is equal to -1, complete agreement but opposite direction. Okay, then rank correlation worked. Example: beauty contest. 5 persons judged by 3 judges, A, B, C, in a beauty contest. Find which pair of judges has closest perception. Okay, result: judges A and B, low positive correlation, R is equal to 0.3. Judges A and C, moderate positive correlation, R is equal to 0.5. Judges B and C, low negative correlation, R is equal to -0.4. Okay, judges A and C had the closest nearest perception of beauty, highest, R is equal to 0.5. Method of least square, used to find correlation using the line of base fit if two variables are related. The regression equation estimates y given x. This is the formula. Why least squares? Because the sum of squares of all deviations from this line of base fit will be minimum least. Merit of R mean least square. Easy to calculate, simple to understand, applicable to any data type like qualitative and quantitative, suitable for two attributes. Demerits of R: approximate, actual values not used, not convenient for large samples, combined R of different series cannot be obtained, cannot be treated further, algebraically. Okay, comparison of methods, feature, scatter diagram, Pearson's and Spearman's R. Data type: any, Pearsons are quantitative ratio and interval, and Spearman are ordinal and qualitative ranking. Formula graphical, this is the formula and this is the formula. Range direction only, this is the -1 to +1, -1 to +1, as well as ease of is easiest, moderate and easy. Accuracy approximate, most accurate and moderate. Extreme value not affected, affected and least affected. Best for quick overview, large precise data and qualitative traits. Okay, MCQ practices. Question number 1, the correlation coefficient is a square root of the product of which two values? Correct answer is option number B, both regression coefficient, BXY and BYX. Question number 2, Spearman's rank correlation is easily useful when? Correct answer is option number C, quantitative measure of quality cannot be fixed. Question number 3, when two individuals are tied to rank 4 and 5, what rank is assigned to both? Correct answer is option number C, 4.5. Correlation is equal to statistical tool to describe degree of relationship between two variables, range -1 to +1. Types positive and negative, simple and multiple, partial and total, linear and curvilinear. Scatter diagram, quick graphical method, show direction but not exact degree. Pearsons are is equal to, this is the formula, most accurate and affected by extreme values. Spearman's ranks are for qualitative ordinal data, and tied ranks assign average rank at 1 divided by 12 meter cube minus my m. Correction terms in formula. Method of least square, this is the formula, gives line of base fit, and image of R approximate, not algebraically treatable, combined A, combined R not possible. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt or inquiry, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.